In today's video, I'm going to be answering some of your questions about my DAJA DJ6 laser engraving machine. My name is Randy and I like to make art and do crafts. So in my previous video of engraving stainless steel, I made the steel black, but I got a comment underneath my video, this one, stating I need to use titanium white. So I painted the steel white and I'm just going to turn the machine on. I'm just connecting with it on my phone, and this is what we're going to be engraving. So we need to first get the size right. Let's see, don't want it to be this big. I think I want it to be maybe 3 centimeters, maybe 3.5. And then let's see where my target is. Okay, I think it's almost right. Maybe a little bit higher. I do think I want it to be a little bit smaller. I think this takes the longest. Just making sure it's on the right spot, but I think it's okay. But I don't know if you can see, it's not really a dot, it's more of a line. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna focus it by turning the little wheel. I think that's the smallest we're gonna be getting. So now we're ready to start, and I'm going to just click bamboo, and they said it needs to be 100% laser, but 40% speed, like that. So let's just go. It's quite a small piece, so it doesn't take that long. So it is done, so I'm just gonna turn off the machine. Let's have a look. So as you can see, it did burn the paint, but they said it should do something to the metal, so I'm just gonna try and clean it. I'm just gonna use some alcohol. Let's just spray it on a cloth. And I used the paint they said. It's a titanium white by Amsterdam. It has the highest titanium content I own. But yeah, there's absolutely nothing on there. So as you can see, there's nothing on here. And what I've read online is that you need a minimum of a 5-watt laser, preferably a 10 or 40-watt diode laser. And that should maybe do something. I know it works on tiles, but on stainless steel, it doesn't really work for what I've researched. And because this is a 3-watt laser, it's just not strong enough. So you need a better machine if you want to engrave with the white paint on different kind of metal. I don't think stainless steel is going to work. But yeah, I tested it with several different paints. I could have shown you all of them, but that would have made this a very long video and I wanted to keep it short this time. So yeah, I'm sorry, it does not work with a 3-watt diode laser. So I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone!